What's up, y'all? It's Mariah, and welcome back to another episode of the Lifted Ripper Shop. We have a lot going on behind here, and the worst part of this is that I'm going to be doing it today. So, you guys excited to see what we got in store? Today, we are mounting the newest KG1 20x12 bypass wheel on a Fury 40 1350/20. It is one of their newest sizes of tires, and I can't wait to show you guys. All right, this 20x12 bypass KG1 wheel is the newest addition, and it is going on a 1982 Jeep J10. It's also gonna be mounted on their newest Fury tire, which is a 40 1350/20. All right, so I am gonna be mounting these KG1s on these Fury tires, and I'm gonna show you how to do it my way, and there aren't a lot of females out there that do it, so let's struggle together. All right, so to make this easier and safer for the wheel, I'm going to first measure the lip. So here I'm measuring it, it's just a little over 21, and then what I'm gonna do is take this over to the wheel machine, measure that so I get all of the clamps seated perfectly. All right, so now I'm gonna walk over to the wheel machine and measure the clamps so that I can get this in there seated perfectly. Right, so I'm trying to line it up just perfectly how I measured earlier, just a little bit of space. All right, now that we have the wheel clamp set up for correct measurement, we're gonna go ahead and put the valve stem in it. I like to get it nice and lubed up so it goes in there nice and smoothly. All right, once we lubed it up, I screwed this tool on to be able to pull this valve stem through. All right, I tugged that through. I'm gonna take this tool off now, and we're gonna get ready for the next step. All right, now that we've measured the wheel clamps, we're gonna go ahead and put this KG1 onto the machine. All right, I'm gonna push this all the way to the ground. It's gonna sit in there all snug. All right, so before we put the tire on, I'm gonna make sure the seat's flush against the wheel. All right, so we're gonna lube this up so that it slides nicely onto the wheel. I'll do the other side as well. All right, so next time to put the tire on here, I am gonna phone a friend, but before that, I want to make sure that you know that we put the yellow dot on the valve stem, so make sure you line it up first to make it easier for yourself. Oh my gosh. Don't spin it. All right, now we're going to spin it around so that duckbill gets under the lip and it seats properly. Just like that. All right, so we're gonna go about this a little bit more unconventional. We're gonna set it on fire to get it to bead and seat. We're gonna spray this brake cleaner down in the crevice and then light it on fire. Oh boy, oh God. Now that we've got this tire beaded and we filled it up with some air, I'm gonna take this off and put the valve stem core in it. These tires are rated for 40 all the way up to 60. So I'll probably run about 50 in there. All right, and that is how you mount a KG1 20x12 on the newest 40 1350/20 Fury Country Hunter MT2.